Hey everybody, hey, welcome. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how to take and use BeadMaker for something other than the exterior of your car, and that's the inside of your car. Yes, BeadMaker can be used on the inside. So how I take and use BeadMaker is you just saw me spray it onto the surface, and I also take and use a two-towel method. So I've got a damp towel where I've sprayed all sides of the towel where the towel is actually damp with BeadMaker, and then I've got a completely dry towel. So what I'll do in this case, I already finished over the top, is I'm going to come through and just lightly go over this. This is just spreading out BeadMaker over the surface. And then when I come back through is just buff clean. And this leaves it nice and streakless. I'm doing long strokes, nice long strokes on the door because that won't create any swirls or towel marks. But the cool part about today is what I want to share is now I've got this really damp towel with BeadMaker all over it. What can I do with it? And what we've learned is you can turn it into the inside of your vehicle. Now, this is really intended for vehicles that are kept pretty clean, maybe as a weekly or bi-weekly service to your car. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open it up without spraying any more product. I'm gonna take my damp towel, the one that's got a lot of BeadMaker on it, and I'm just gonna take and cut my sections into smaller sections, in this case, into thirds. And then I'm gonna take my damp towel over it, take my dry towel back over it, buff it to a shine, and then repeat on the middle section as I come through here. And what this is doing is it's just leaving a nice natural new look to the surfaces. And what we found is that doing this is it allows the dust not to settle on the inside of the hard surfaces near as much, and it keeps your car cleaner. It also has a really nice scent to it. And again, the best thing is you're not using any additional product. You're already using what's on the towel. So, hey, I hope you've enjoyed this. Share it, comment below. And again, I hope you've enjoyed your BeadMaker. And yes, you can use it on the inside. Take care and happy detailing all.